India Today now gets you the inside track of what sparked the communal riots in Nagpur. This is the inside details that we are bringing to you. By afternoon, we are told that there was a congregation where the Hindu groups were burning Aurangzeb's effigy. Remember, just about 24 hours ago, we were telling about how Hindu groups have been protesting against Aurangzeb's tomb in Sambhaji Nagar district, and were burning the Mughal emperor's effigies. Symbolic protests that were on. Effigy burning spread a certain rumor. A rumor that was spread among the members of the Muslim community that then led to a certain conflict. It was that rumor, that misinformation that was spread about what was being burned in that gathering, in that symbolic protest of which we have the visuals on the screen, which was an Aurangzeb effigy. By 5 to 7 p.m., then we are told, as you can see all on your screens, it appeared that some Muslim youths start to gather by evening. They start shouting communal provocative slogans, and then it turned into a full-fledged mob. They start pelting stones, even at the cops, the few cops who were deployed. Remember, not in large numbers, and therefore the cops also were very clearly seen having suffered injuries. Violence erupted in Nagpur full-on by 7:30 p.m. So I reiterate what happened. Afternoon, you see the visual all on your screen. This is what we are putting out. This is not conjecture. In the afternoon, a protest is on. Emperor Aurangzeb's effigies are being burned. Symbolic protest. They don't want Aurangzeb tomb. They want it to be removed from Sambhaji Nagar. This is happening by afternoon. A rumor is spread among the Muslim community about something is being burnt. Some rumor, some misinformation, and that led to Muslim youth gathering, shouting slogans and mob pelting. Full on, then communal clash erupts. This is the information coming in from on the ground. Let's listen in to more reactions on the ground. Ritwik Bhalekar also joins me meanwhile, and our colleagues are on the ground in Nagpur to a certain situation on this. Ritwik, you tell me now, because this looks like that there was definitely rumor mongering, misinformation that led to, look at how bricks are being thrown at the cars, stone pelting, angry youth. I see some of them with face covered.
Since yesterday morning, the protests were on. It was from the Vishwa Hindi Parishad as well as Bajrang Dal. The protests were called across the state, and it was not just Nagpur, but several cities where these protests were took place, and at the same time they were given slogans against Aurangzeb. They were demanding removal of Aurangzeb's tomb. They were also burning effigies and photos of Aurangzeb. But there were certain things which were burned in Nagpur with the photos of Aurangzeb, and the videos of which got circulated on social media, which led to rumor mongering, and then a huge crowd gathered on the streets from both the sides. There were tensions, and then violence was incited, stones were pelted, cars were burned, and within no time the situation went berserk, and then police was deployed, additional forces were deployed, is what is being gathered as a primary information. But at the same time, those miscreants were from the area, or they were coming somewhere from outside, is what needs to be investigated. That's what the local MLA Praveen Dakke has been saying. So police is doing its investigation. The combing operation is on in and around the area where the violence took place.
There is no justification for mob violence in civilized societies, in residential areas. Think of the families, women and children huddled there in their houses when such mob came out on the streets, full-on pelting, full-on ensuring that public property. Why are they targeting, breaking these vehicles, throwing stones and bricks? They clearly come with the attempt of aggression after a rumor that was spread. And importantly, what was the administration doing? Did the administration not realize, not intercept that there could be such communal violence on the ground?